Right, today's walk is in the Llyn Peninsula. Said that right? It's about an hour away from my house, so the weather's not great, but I'm not going home now. Not after driving an hour. So yeah, so it's the Rivals, which is up there, across to that one there, and then there's a third one, which it could possibly be that one over there, but looks a bit low to be included. So I think it might be behind that one there, a rifle. So yeah, so I'm going to carry on. I don't know how much filming I'm going to do because the weather's not great, so it might not look very good. So see how it goes. Hopefully get a bit of good footage and stay as dry as I can. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Right, so I've only been walking about 5 minutes, if that, and there's the car park over there in the distance, and already getting good views across there. Look, Ellie, let's go back to the screen in a minute. Right across there, lovely views so far, even though it's not very clear because the weather's not great. It's still nice. It's nice to come with somewhere different for a change. It's very foggy up here now, can't see a thing, but I'll figure it out. I've got my map if I need it. And yeah, so I've been up a mountain over the top, right over the top of there, which is Llyn Peninsula it's called, and it's only classed as a hill, but I found it really tough when I first did that. But I hadn't been hiking much at that point, so it was quite a tough one, and it was really windy, but it was nice to go there somewhere different because I was staying locally, just at the bottom of the hill basically, at auntie and uncle's house. Well, auntie and uncle-in-law house, looking after their dog while they were on holiday. And even though it's only an hour from my house, I love going to stay there around here, because even though, you know, like I said, it's not far, you feel like you're on holiday. You know, when you're only an hour away from home if you need to pop home for anything. But yeah, it's nice. Out of the way a bit. That's lovely. And then have a day trip in Pwllheli, and it means do Portmeirion as well. Let's go there, hopefully a couple of months maybe, when everything starts to open properly. It might be worth going there because I've seen videos of it and pictures of it. It looks beautiful, so it'd be nice to take the kids there for a day out. Anyway, I'm going on a bit now, so I'll get back to you in a bit. Bye. Bilberries, love them, always keep me going, bit of energy. I thought I was at the summit then, but clearly not. It's in front of me there. Another fake summit. There's one over there as well. hate fake summits. You think you're there and then all of a sudden, bang, and everyone's in darkness. Anyway, I'll turn back on in a minute. Ta-ra. So that's the first summit done. I can't even see where the next one is, to be honest. I've just gone over on my ankle on these rocks, so hopefully I'll be alright in a minute and carry on. The weather's not great though. I don't know if it's worth it. Can't see a thing. But I'll get a map out now and find out which way I'm supposed to go, and I think it's probably over there to the next one. So anyway, another one ticked. Right, I'm gonna head down now. Doesn't look like the weather's gonna get much better, to be honest. I'm gonna head down in that direction. So might hit another summit over there. Depends on the weather. If it clears, I'll carry on. But there's not much point in this weather, especially somewhere I don't know very well. But hey ho, it's all been fun. So I've just had a bit to eat now and a drink, and I'm gonna head off. Okay, see ya, bye. So I managed to get myself down from the top of that summit, found a path. I ended up on a rock face at one point. I was a bit worried because I was in the clouds and you can't see the bottom. So just thought I'd go around it. I didn't fancy climbing down that, to be honest. Didn't know where it led to, and found a path. So hopefully I'm on the right track now, and I can see another mountain in the distance. So I'm going to carry on heading towards this way, see where I end up. It's not cold, it's just can't see anything. So I know the car's only literally about an hour, half an hour. No, an hour tops that way anyway. So not too far from the car anyway, if the weather changes. So yeah, it's starting to come into get a bit clear now, so I'll head up there and see what's up there, and catch you in a bit. Ta-ra. Interesting little place here. Some sort of fort. Might be for sheep, but looks like a fort. Loads of them. Sorry, I can't really tell you what this is. It looks cool. When I go for a walk, I try not to do too much research on the place. I should do really, because I could talk about it a bit more. But I like it to be a bit of a surprise, to be honest, when you come across these things. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments, which is good. There's something in the mist there. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do tend to just wing it. Shouldn't really, but that's just me. I always bring enough gear though, so that if the weather changes or if I get stuck or injured, then I should be alright for a few hours. I always bring plenty of food and drink and waterproofs and too many layers, to be honest. I do bring too much, but you know, if something was to happen, then it'd be great. I've got a first aid kit and all that malarkey. Shame the weather's so bad, because I'm sure the views are amazing from here with all the Llyn Peninsula along there. Unfortunately, as usual, there's no views. It's clearing up a bit over there now. I can see a car there. Not too far from the road then. Right, so I'm up the next summit now. I don't know if you can hear me, the weather's awful, but yeah, there's no views. There's nothing to see in this weather. Such a shame. Some idiots left a can of Coke there. Box of Budweiser over there as well. Why you'd want to come all this way up here and leave your rubbish. Idiots. Right, I'm going to head back down now anyway. Don't be sat up here too long. Just heard a cow as well. I hate cows. Not that I hate them, they just scare me. Got chased by a load in Norfolk once, and since then always a bit wary about walking through a cow field. Cattle, whatever. Right, so anyway, there's the summit, and there's a little cairn there, but it's not much. It's not going to keep me warm. So I'll head back down and go this way. Right, see you in a bit. Ta-ra! I had not filmed for a while. Got a bit lost, but managed to find on the map. Managed to find this track. So I'm heading towards my car anyway. So hopefully I'll should be alright now. There was no track, it was all heather, and all you could see is that, you know, it's when you're on the hills you can't see anything, it's tough. And sort of didn't think about where I was for a few minutes, and then before I knew it, I wasn't sure which direction I was going in. And it started to clear up a bit. You could see the sea, Trevor, that sort of area, and started to realise then where I was. So then I managed to find this road and be alright now. So anyway, all fun and games. Did say I wasn't lost for that long. It's still early. It's you know, what time is it now? It's not late anyway. About 7ish. Yeah, 25 to 8 now at night PM. So it won't be getting dark for a while yet. But I've got my torches anyway. But I can't go wrong on this path. So anyway, that's enough for me. See you back at the car. Right, so there we have it. Finally got back to the car. Soaked. Boots are supposed to be waterproof, but nah. I got some gaiters in my bag as well. I just didn't bother putting them on. I wish I did now. Yeah, I didn't do all 3 peaks. It was just, weather's awful. So I decided to come back. And I got a bit lost, to be honest. There's no views. Had a nice time, but there's no views, so I'll come back another day because the views are amazing. Well, they will be. I haven't seen them, so but they will be. Right, okay. I'm gonna get some food and then an hour drive home. Good night. See you later.